Do you want to share your WhatsApp status with only one person? You can set WhatsApp status for a specific person with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To share your WhatsApp status with only one person. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you're in WhatsApp, tap on the Update tab at the bottom of the screen. Now, create a new status by tapping the Add Status button. Now, a new screen will appear. Select a picture that you want to add to your status. You can also add only text to your status. Once selected, you are on the status editing screen. Now, at the bottom of your status, tap on Status to change the settings. This will open the status privacy settings. From here, tap on Only Share With. Now, from the right side of it, tap on Included. A new screen will appear with your friends list. Select the one person you want to share your status with, then tap on the checkmark icon. Again, tap on the Done button. Lastly, tap on the Send button. Your status will now be visible to only that one selected contact.